Take three. Yeah, so first of all, there's a lot of noise pollution going on. That's the reason I have to take different takes because the noise pollution is going to be overwhelming for some of you, for the audience. At the same time, I canceled the day channel and I made this video for Independence Day, even though it has nothing related to India. Doesn't have power. Yeah, it's overwhelming over here because there's like not really much power on that area. Hold on, wait, let me fix that. Off the road. Train. Can't really have to go from side to side because the remote is all the way there. So yeah, I run the train for that much. I'll run the train a bit more later. But right now I'm just gonna fix the track over here.